Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you see here, we're going to go ahead on and set up the desk. It's laid out right there. It's not too much to go ahead on and do. When I get done doing that, I'm going to go ahead on and have my grandson's everything set up on it. His computer. I'll be putting all the parts of the computer, the specs, etc. in the description below. So now we're going to go ahead on and set this baby up so he could be happy. Alright, let's do this. Alright everybody, she is done. Look at her. Don't she look nice? Now it is a 40-inch desk, so you cannot go wrong with that. But my grandson is going to enjoy it. I had to turn down the speakers. I'm paying chill. I have a subscription with them, so I'll be putting that in the description below. If you want to go ahead and use their music, this is the way to go. Free. For anything you like doing, your live streaming, you're doing your videos, whatever, but look at her, isn't she looking nice? So my grandson can focus on the main screen, and he got the side screen there. Now the monitors, this IP i9-1 ABB, I had purchased this monitor way back in 2009, and yes, it is 1366 by 768. I may go ahead and find another Gateway KX2153 for him, but this is nice, and I love it. You cannot go wrong with it. Now he can sit down and chill and do his homework. I do have a webcam for him to use later on down the line. If you have to do webcams stuff for school and things like that, and so I talk to the teachers, etc. I do have a webcam to set up. I might set that up, but right now, I just want this to be his cozy chill spot. So when he do his homework, he can go ahead and do his homework. Now, I did add the mouse pad, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it because he needs to write up here. So, and it's good he has his little section to write on and everything like that. But other than that, he's set ready to go, and I love it. And the Cubi desk, as you see here, looks nice. Now my cable management could be a little better. The support monitor arms by support specialist. So everything you see here will be in the description below. The monitor, he's on the i7 4770S. He played mid-level. He played retro games, so RPG games, but that's later on down the line. If you want me to redo your system, I will redo it. You can have this in the living room to watch TV, etc. And he can have his mainstreaming later on down the line. But I'm gonna let him decide what's best for him as he gets older. Right now, for a little 5-year-old, this works for him. Now, if y'all think it could be done better for a 5-year-old, please post your comments in the description below. He's only 5. He do not play modern Call of Duty, Modern Warfare. He do not play CSGO 2, shooting games, things like that. I do not allow him to play because it spooks him out. And especially Minecraft, Zombie World, he don't like that neither. So, but other than that, I love it. I mean, I fall in love with it. So, and yes, I do like it. I thought I had issues with the monitor but it works out pretty great for what I'm doing with it. So, and if you want to add some headphones on the side, you can add him some headphones. But the Blue D speakers are great. I'm gonna let y'all listen to it. Very good. TP-Link AC600 Wi-Fi adapter. Everything in this video will be in the description below. Deep Cool Matrix 30. Everybody ragdoll this case. Everybody ragdoll this case, but this case is great. And you cannot go wrong with it. So, other than that, it's nice. I love it. I love the way it turned out. Yes, Cubi it is a good feature. And I love it, and I cannot go wrong with how this turned out. Just like I said, if you want to add another 40-inch disc, you can as an L shape, or you can go straight out with it. I'll be putting everything in the description below. All the links, affiliate link if you are interested in buying some of the parts for the for your setup. There will be in the description below. These are outdated monitors, so would I recommend you buying expensive monitors in 2024? No, but if you want to buy that and you want a 27-inch, I'm gonna leave that up to you. I'm not talking to gamers. I'm talking to a person with regular setup that do stocks, doing stock quotes and sales, doing budget, doing a whole lot that deals with clerking, such as writing, being a writer, being a script writer for some of these creators out here. This works great. This really works great. So, and then he does have a light up top, so he can just turn it on, sit here, and do his work. Now, I do have a chair coming in for him. It's a regular folding chair. The office desk chair I saw, I didn't like it, but I'm gonna let him pick that out for himself. He may want a gaming chair. He may want an office chair. That's up to him. And I love, and he loves it. He came on here, he saw it, he loved it. He said, "Oh my gosh," that's what he said. "OMG, Pop, you outdid yourself." And I say, "Thank you, grandson. This is for him," and I love it. I love the monitor arm. I love how this arm really turned out. This monitor arm really did its thing. It supports up to 27 inches. I will be putting everything in the description below, and I love it. Just like I said, this is the music from Chill Hop. I have a subscription for. I'll be putting their webpage in the description below if you want to go ahead on in, be a part of their music for your creative needs. It's free. You have to go ahead on and download the music, download the link, attach it to the description, and you're all set, ready to go. Setup is a breeze. Now, if you want other sources like Epidemic Sounds, you have to pay for those. But I'm gonna let you decide what works for your creative needs as a content creator. But for office clerk, man, I can just sit here and just chill. If this was my wife's setup here, because she's thinking about working at home, this works good for her. I mean, it sits right there in the corner. You can just angle it off wherever you like, and I like that. Love it. Now I am using certain parts that you can go ahead on and get off, certain stuff that are discontinued by the manufacturers, like the GIM fans, the Deep Cool Matrix 30K is still available. The RS-Gang 500 watt PS shoe is a great PS shoe. It's still holding up strong for what, going on what, 3-4 years now since I built this up on him. I'm on the GTX 1063 gigabyte. He's just a 5-year-old. He's not playing those hardcore games because I don't want him to play those games. I only need him to play violent games that have a violent rage and life. So, but other than that, if he wants to go ahead on and just do his thing, there you go. I love it. So, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out and thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I got more content coming your way. I love you. Bye.